Hello little dreamers, tonight shines with wonder. Bluey meets a giant cat under moonlight. Her paws trembled with excitement, the cat's eyes glowed like golden lanterns. Whiskers brushed against the stars, Bluey giggled louder than midnight owls. The cat purred like rolling thunder, Bluey whispered, "Is this magic for real?" A tail swished across the silver sky, sparkles rained down like tiny shooting stars. Bluey gasped with sparkling delight, the cat lowered its head gently. It spoke in whispers of ancient forests, its voice hummed like hidden rivers. Bluey blinked in pure amazement. Children, like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's magical surprises, because every tale hides golden secrets. The cat crouched beside the playground, swings rattled softly under its shadow. Bluey climbed the furry mountain, her laughter echoed through the neighborhood. A paw stretched wide as hills, Bluey slid down like a rainbow. Neighbors peeked through curtains amazed, they whispered, "What wondrous sight is that?" Bluey called out with joy, "Don't fear, the giant cat is kind." Leaves rustled with curious whispers, fireflies gathered like floating lanterns. The cat leapt across rooftops gracefully, Bluey chased behind with sparkling courage. Every step thudded like rolling drums, but still it felt playful and safe. The cat showed hidden gardens of light, Bluey twirled among glowing mushrooms. "Can you imagine this magic?" she asked. The cat nodded with knowing eyes. Bluey shared cookies from her pocket, the cat purred in sweet delight. Together they painted the night sky, brushes of stars danced across darkness. A rainbow arc crowned the horizon, Bluey clapped with thunderous glee. The cat bowed like a royal guardian, Bluey curtsied back with grace. Dawn stretched pink across the sky, Bluey hugged the giant cat tightly. "Return again, wondrous friend," she whispered. The cat vanished into glittering clouds. Bluey's heart glowed brighter than sunrise, her dreams sparkled forever with hope. And children, remember this shining truth, every adventure begins when you imagine.